All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges in Coimbatore for the 2026 admissions, TNEA University's regional campus should definitely be on your list. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need, the TNEA Code. It's 2025.
Okay, let's get straight to the point. There are two things you absolutely have to know about this college right off the bat. First, it's a direct constituent college of Coimbatore Jn. That's a huge deal. And second, admissions are 100% through TNEA counseling. What does that mean? No management quota. For a lot of parents, this combination of a top university brand and a completely transparent admission process, that's the real deciding factor.
So, with that in mind, let's dig a little deeper and get to know the official identity of this institution.
Right, so this slide really lays it all out for us. The official full name is TNEA University Regional Campus, Coimbatore. It's a constituent college, which means it's part of the main university. It was set up back in 2012 and is run directly by the government of Tamil Nadu. And like we said before, it's a co-ed campus with admissions done only through TNEA.
And here it is again, that all-important number for your TNEA application, 2025. You're going to want to write this down and double-check it when you're filling out your choices. It's really crucial.
Now, let's take a look at the story behind this campus. How did it even come to be? Well, it wasn't an accident. It's a story of deliberate growth directly from TNEA University. So the journey starts in 2012, when the campus was first set up. Then, in 2018, the core engineering branches that we're all familiar with, CSE, ECE, EEE, and Mechanical, they all started. But what's really interesting is what happened next. You can see a clear pattern, right? In 2022, they brought in artificial intelligence and data science. And then, just in 2024, they launched a very specialized program in VLSI Design. This timeline tells a story of a college that's actively moving towards the tech of the future.
Okay, so that's the history. But what does it mean for you if you're planning to join in 2026? Let's break down the actual programs and the number of seats available.
Every year, the college takes in a total of 360 students for its BE programs. So that gives you an idea of the batch size you'd be a part of. It's not a massive campus, but it's a significant number.
All right, here are the 6 branches you can choose from. You've got AI and data science with the TNEA Code AD. Then there's computer science, or CS, electronics and communication, EC, electrical and electronics, that's EE, and of course mechanical, which is ME. And finally, that new specialized branch we talked about, electronics engineering and VLSI Design and Technology. The code for that one is EL.
Let's zoom in on this one for a second. The BE in AI and data science, started in 2022, is a really smart move. It's exactly what the industry is looking for right now. Think about it, getting a degree in one of the hottest fields from a government institution like an TNEA University campus, that's a powerful combination when you're looking for a job.
And here's that other future-focused program, VLSI Design. With everything happening in the semiconductor world, this is just incredibly relevant. It really shows that the university is paying attention to where the jobs are going to be. So here's the bottom line. At this campus, you get a choice. You can go for the solid, foundational engineering branches, or you can jump into these brand new high-growth specializations.
Academics are super important, of course, but that's not the whole story, is it? So let's shift gears and talk about what happens after the degree, placements, and what life is like on campus.
Okay, let's talk numbers. This is based on the official data the college themselves submitted to TNEA for the 2024-25 batch. They reported a placement percentage of 57%. This number comes directly from the college, so it gives you a baseline for what to expect in terms of career outcomes.
One of the huge advantages of a government college is definitely the financial support available. If you're eligible, there are a whole bunch of government scholarships you can apply for. We're talking about scholarships for SC/ST, BC/MBC/DNC communities, for first graduates, OBC students, and also for minority communities. This is a really big deal and something families should definitely look into.
Now, for those of you who aren't from Coimbatore, this is an important one. The campus does have its own permanent hostel facilities, and yes, they're available for both boys and girls. So that's one less thing to worry about when you're planning.
All right, what about getting to and from the college every day? Well, the college doesn't run its own buses, so you'll need to sort out your own transport. The good news is the campus is right there on Marutumalai Main Road, which is a pretty major road. And if you're taking the train, Coimbatore Junction is the closest station, about 12 kilometers from the campus.
So just to be clear,
All the information we've shared today comes straight from the college's own website and other trusted government sources. We checked all of this in March 2026. But, things can change, so we always recommend that you do your own final check before making any big decisions.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12-to engineering decisions.